Hello everyone, I greet you all according to the time you are watching this video. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful organza ruffled sleeve. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button when you are done watching. And do not also forget to like, comment and share this video. I had already cut out my organza fabric and also given it a good ironing. I used about 1 yard of organza, that is by 60. And again, for you to get a fuller ruffled sleeve, you need to use more organza. It is advisable to use about 2 years or 2.5 years of organza for fuller ruffles. This sleeve is into two parts, the upper part and the lower part. The upper part is just like the normal basic sleeve, and the lower part of the sleeve is the ruffled part. Okay, so before now, I had already drafted this basic sleeve and I have it on this channel in case you didn't see that video, and I'll be linking it to this video, so kindly check the description box for that. Okay, so I just folded my organza fabric into four. The reason for that is because I wanted two pieces. Okay, so I folded it into four. I placed my pattern paper on it. I determined the length of the upper part, which is totally up to you. You can make it to be on your bicep, you can make it to be on your elbow, but we are trying to recreate the inspiration. Hope you get. So this part was when I was trying to shape the front armhole, because the front armhole is different from the back armhole. I was just trimming out this part and I will label it F and B, that is the front armhole and the back armhole. So I will just set this aside. Where the major work is the lower part of the sleeve, which is the ruffled part. So this organza is folded into two, just as you can see, and the length I think was about 51 or so because I'd already cut out from it, and the other measurement was about 13. Yeah. Watch what I will do, guys. I will just fold it again into two, so meaning I have four foldings, and I will also be holding it down with pins this way, and thereafter I will go ahead to give it a very good ironing. The reason I gave it a good press was because I wanted it to be very easy for me to cut. Okay. Now you can see that it's very easy to cut because I ironed it flat. So after cutting it into two like this, I will have four pieces, two for one sleeve and two for the other sleeve. I will first of all set two pieces aside and work on one of the sleeves, that is working with the other two pieces. So here I also opened it up because of course we folded it into four, and I'll be stitching the two edges at 1/2 inch. Very easy. So when you stitch on the two ends, it will make it look like a single fabric. That way you can easily create your ruffles. So when I was done doing that, I just took the measurement again, because it's with the full length of the measurement that you can determine how wide apart you want the ruffles to be. So when I took the measurement of this piece, it was like 50 inches long. I divided this 50 inches by 10 inches and that gave me 5 inches. Okay, so I'll just be marking 5 inches, just as you can see, and at the end of the day I will have like 10 um, inches of these 5 inches markings. Hope you guys understand. So each interval is about 5 inches wide. I hope that summarizes that. For every 5 inches, I will just split on that line. If you want it to be easier, you can just draw a straight line to connect the upper marking to the lower marking. So see what I did, guys? I just squished it. You can determine if you want to put like four pleats. So when I squished it, I just stitched on it. I kept on doing everything till I got to the end of the fabric. Hope you guys understand. Let me come again. For every interval, you will create your ruffles, yeah, your pleats. So that was why the shape changed to that stuff. So the wider your organza, the more ruffles you will have. So that was how I came up with this. If you did not understand this, maybe you can watch it again, okay? Because I don't want this video to be too long. It's now time to attach these ruffles to the upper part of this sleeve. So what we are going to do is to make sure that the ruffles fit into the round sleeve of the upper part. Hope that makes sense. So what I did was just to do a free stitching on the ruffles because I want to make gathers. And when you are doing your free stitching, you don't need to back stitch or front stitch or any kind of stitch. Just sew it straight. So I just did that. You know, when you want to make ruffles, when you want to make gathers, so I just did it like that, and I started pulling one of the threads. So at the end of the day, I will pull it in such a way that I'll be able to fix it. It will fit properly on that upper part of the sleeve. So if it is too long, you pull the sleeve, you pull the thread to make it smaller. If it is too short, you will release the thread so that it will be, it will fit into that part. So just keep watching, guys. So when I saw that the length was okay, I knotted the thread, and I'll just be, attaching it to that upper part of the sleeve. Honestly, when you look at this sleeve at first sight, you would think it's very hard. It's not hard at all. So it's very easy to join. You can just use your pin to hold the two down with the two right sides facing each other, okay? And you can stitch at 1/2 inch. Because I didn't want this video to be too long, I just did for one sleeve, and then I did the remaining sleeve off the camera. So here is me just stitching it, and I'll be back. But when you do that, you will need to put a finishing to the round sleeve. You can see it. It's almost done, but there's still need for you to put a finishing touch to the round sleeve because it looks rough. So what most persons do is that they can attach elastic band or they can make a bias. In my own case, I'm using the organza to make like a band to attach. But some persons can use elastic band, but my elastic band is white, so I didn't want to use that. What I did was just to cut out about maybe 2.5 inches strip of organza. I folded in the rough edges, just as you can see, I iron it down. And what I'll be doing is just to like use it to cover the rough edges, okay, so that your work will look nice. I just took the measurement of that round sleeve, and I will just be using it to cover the rough edges. Very, very simple. When doing this part, you need to be very careful because you want everything to be inside the band, okay? So I just made sure I took my time, and it came out nice. Honestly, it came out nice. So when I was done, I just attached it to my dress. In another video, I'll be showing you the tutorial of the dress, but for now, I just wanted to show you how I came up with the ruffle sleeve. Honestly, it is very unique, it is beautiful, it can help you spice up your dress, your blouse, or any style at all you want to make. If you have watched this video to this point, I really appreciate you. Thanks for the support. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.